Hi, it's Mike from Model Meetings, and I want to welcome you to my kitchen. Today we're going to be talking about meetings and food, and yes, they do relate. Today I am going to attempt, anyway, to cook a zucchini. So in preparation for that, I pulled out a bunch of utensils and ingredients that I think I'll need. And so of course I have a knife, obviously, to cut the zucchini. I've got a baster so that when I put the butter or olive oil sauce on it. I have a whisk and a meat tenderizer. I've got aluminum foil because I want to put it either in the air fryer or put it on the grill. Haven't decided yet. Of course, salt and pepper, you always need a little seasoning. And this olive oil, extra virgin olive oil is what I really like to use. And then of course, minced garlic. Now this minced garlic is a stone mill minced garlic, and it's something that I found actually at Aldi. It's relatively inexpensive because, you know, when we were growing up, my family, we always used that dried minced garlic and we used it in sauces and things, which was fine. But when I discovered this, it was just like, wow, it was eye-opening. Fresh minced garlic and olive oil. If you haven't tried it, you definitely need to try it. But back to the cooking and meetings. So obviously, if you were paying attention, you probably saw that I had a whisk and a meat tenderizer, and you probably thought to yourself, what kind of recipe is he making? And really, as I'm thinking about it now, yeah, I don't need these things. We're not whisking zucchini or the olive oil, and we're definitely not going to tenderize the zucchini. And much like meetings that I'm sure you have or you've been to, or maybe meetings that are recurring all the time, the invite list includes a lot of people with a lot of different skills and really good skills, but you absolutely don't need them in your meeting. They can be used for other purposes. They can be used to satisfy the purposes of other meetings. I would encourage you to think about your meeting purpose. Think about the people that you need in your meeting, and if you don't need someone in a meeting, then give them permission to skip out of the meeting, to leave the meeting, or to ask them to leave the meeting. And I would enjoy and love to hear from you if you try this tip out to see if it actually improves the performance and the results of your meeting. Have a great day. Bye.